how to install Havoc GSI and Samsung Galaxy M21. So first, what you have to do, you have to install the TRP. I will give you the method, link in the description below. Now first what you will do is advanced wipe, go to and wipe David, Dalvik and Artcat system data cache data system. You have to wipe this up. Now what you have to do, now first what you have to do, now go to this micro SD card zip where you have installed GSI. Now go tap on the install image option. Now first flash this Havoc as system image. The flashing of the GSI has been complete. Now what you have to do, now don't have to directly boot into GSI, it will not boot. So first you have to go to the folder that you have installed the extra files. Now first you have to select multi-disabler, and here is the option to add more zips. Multi-disabler, Magisk initial zip, that is for fixing the Magisk in Android 11 GSI. Now tap on the zip and add more this one. So yeah, now what you have to do is first you have to add this multi-disabler, then you have to install this Magisk initial zip to it will install Magisk root. Now it will, for this is overlays for the display fix, because after GSI the display is like the corners are cut, so the display doesn't the fonts doesn't fit clearly. Now what you have to do is reboot your system. Now what you have to do is press here, because I will surely tell you the method. So you can also remove this also from a zip, I will tell you afterwards. You have to tap and wait for about 5 and wait for like 5 minutes right now, so it will boot here. Now it has started booting in Havoc OS, so it's in Havoc OS 4.5, so it has started booting now. I will give you the link in the description for the for the files you have to install. Now it will boot it up. It has been into the setup screen right now. What you have to do is first it will connect. Now what you have to do is first skip this method right now. Now what you have to go is first connect it to your Wi-Fi. So while you are setting up, without setting your Gmail account, you have to set this up. Yeah, it will take a time. Now after this also there is option, because in Android, in like Samsung's GSI, there's a problem like Play Store needs certification to that. So I am going to be telling you how to run that certification. So let it set it up. Now if you want to copy data, like if you want your data back, so you can copy from here. I don't copy. What I have to do now, I have to set it to the device. Now this is, you have to tap OK here. It has booted. Now what you have to do, for this, fixing this. Now how to fix this notification in Play Store. Now go to the files first. Now this muted your phone. Now install this image, I will give in the description below. So this APK, now it's an device ID APK. Now you have to install it, so it will install it. Now after installing this APK, what you have to do is open this APK. You have to continue from here. Now you have to copy or this Google Service Framework, and what you have to go is, now in Play Store you have to go. What you have to do is for tap and sign in. Now yeah, now you have to go to this link I am tapping below right now, so it will allow Chrome. So you have to go to your device is not certified. Now you have to tap on device or not certified. Now you have to go to this if your device is using on a custom ROM, register your device. Now it will open. Now you have to simply log in first in your Gmail account. Now, after you have set up your account, now it will the page will open. Now you have to paste your framework ID here. Now you have to paste here and register. Now you have to type I am not robot. You have to register from here. It's registering and now it has done. Is reboot your device. Your device has been booted up. Now what you have to go is go to the Play Store. I have to tap and sign in. Just ignore these messages. Okay, now I have to go to the sign in. You have to sign in your device. You have to sign in your. Now my Play Store has started working after this doing this registration. You have to get ready. You have to just swipe this up. Now I would recommend just plug your phone with charger because yeah, it will drain your battery. You have to finish this method. Now you have to finish this, and also now you can restore your data. Now for this another thing you have to install is Magisk. Now we booted up with Magisk zip. Now what you have to do is install from, I will give you this link for this APK. Now you have to install Magisk from here, so you go to the files option. That now you have to go to the folder that you have saved from. Now you have to install this APK. Now for the users that uses bank apps, so they need to certify the safety net. Now for this safety net I will make another video, so in which I will fix the safety net because yeah, it needs a method. For now I will make a new video. So now you have to check here. Now your device has been rooted. Now if you don't need to plug it to your lead to reboot to your recovery. Now you can easily reboot your recovery from here. Now you can install apps. Now you can switch to download mode. So it's a very smooth GSI as coming from a stock. So yeah, it's really smooth. And so I am making this video because I have earlier also have used this GSI. So for you guys I'm making another time, I'm making to how to install. Now for I will also give you this Gcam link. You can get a camera, you get a camera that you can click it, but you don't get any good camera, so you have to install the Gcams. I will give you in the link in the description below. Now what you have to go to the files. Now I will give you, so you have to install this Gcam. From here you can install this Gcam, or from my previous video you can use that Gcams with that config, so it will work. So yeah, now it has been set it up. So thank you for watching the video, and I will make this next video for the safety net fix. So, thank you for watching.